2025 V1000 mini skid steer made by DERETTE. This one is in white, and this one has Kubota D902 engine, diesel engine. This machine is completely updated. All updates ever I can get. If you watch my previous videos, I had two same machines. One was orange, one was red, but the Perkins engine. This one has Kubota D902. Has a phone holder. This joystick is updated. This thing is updated. These two guys. This is basically everything is newer version. Has an access panel here. Those previous models didn't have any. This one has a screen. Counterweights. It's like 8 of them. I do believe it's about 200 pounds altogether. Truck tension is updated. Older one had a solid piece, like all these. Also, newer version has access panels on each side. So here and one over here. And that way you can open it and you can check your oil. Updated hood with vents. The older model didn't have any. This one has Kubota D902 25 horsepower. The previous machines I had with the Perkins, this one is Japanese. The Perkins is a German. Both engines are good. This one, Kubota D902, it's a little bit louder, and I would say it rattles a little more than Perkins. Perkins is quieter and smoother, but depends what you want to buy. And this is the access panel for hydraulic. And hydraulic level is over here. I think I'm a little bit low. I just put new hydraulic fluid yesterday. So this plug is for hydraulic fluid if you want to drain it. And this plug is for diesel fuel tank if you want to drain it. I'm so far so happy with this machine. It doesn't have any problems, no leaks, no nothing. I mean, there is a little bit of hydraulic fluid because when I put hydraulic fluid in here, I spilled it. So I went down to underneath the machine and just came out over here on the side. So that's actually was my fault. Yeah, good machine. Price is $9,300 USD without shipping. Yeah, it came with a bucket. Bucket is over there. I got a lot of attachments with it. A lot. Yeah, I mean, if you look at it, welding, everything is good. I mean, like I said, no complaints so far. Previous model had a air filter box. Smaller. The newer version has a bigger air filter box. Yeah, the good thing about DERETTE, they do listen customers. Whatever customer suggestions, they do update and they do upgrade. Yeah, which is a really good point about DERETTE. Yeah, and definitely I will buy again. Yeah, I mean, for this kind of money, for $9,300, you cannot beat the price. It's a big competitor to Bobcat MT100 or Kubota, whatever, CSL 1000. Yeah, but those machines are like $39,000, $42,000. This one is to your door. You will pay about $14,000 with the bucket and maybe 1 or 2 attachments. Yeah, well, thank you for watching, guys. Let me know any questions if you have any. If not, good. Enjoy your video.